This is experiment number 12, one-way circuit. In this, we're using the 1N4148 diode, which is this one in the back. As you can see, the black part is right there. And when I press the switch, the LED turns on. So the LED turns on because the diode's turn-on voltage of 0.7 volts is easily exceeded, and the diode has little effect on the circuit. When I reverse it, as you can see, nothing happens. When I press the switch, nothing happens. The diode is now reverse biased, and blocks current flow through the circuit.